Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add link on bio. To get started, let's open TikTok. Now you are in a For You page. You can see many icons. Let's click on profile icon that is located on the right bottom corner. Click on it. Now click on edit profile. It is just here. You could see bio. Click on add a bio. Now if you have a YouTube channel, then copy your YouTube channel link and paste here. Copy the link and paste here. Now save. In this way you can add link on your bio. That wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.